Are you wondering what horses have to do with empowerment, leadership, and personal development? Fair enough. Whether we're talking about our personal or professional growth, there are three things we really need more of to help us navigate challenges and grow into the person we're meant to become. Those three things are clarity, connection, and courage. Here at Horse Sense North, we help you build more horse sense, which in human terms means clarity, connection, and courage. Horses are incredibly emotionally and socially intelligent beings. When we increase our horse sense, it allows us to approach communication and relationships with ourselves and others in a way that's clear, connected, and courageous. This means we can access more creative solutions and learn to use our power in ways that are for the good of the herd. Now, more than ever, we need to access our power for the good of the herd. Whether that herd is our family, community, team, organization, or our herd of one, ourselves. Horses are some of the best teachers to learn about accessing our power in healthy ways. Not only are they incredibly powerful and majestic beings physically, they embody a non-predatory approach to life, giving us beautiful examples of how to use power for the good of the herd. Horse Sense North offers learning opportunities with and without horses. We can develop horse sense through horse-inspired skill building and tools, allowing us to access a fresh perspective that's highly effective. And you don't have to be with horses in person or have any experience with them to get it. This is why you'll see some offerings that are online or workshops without horses that still offer some horse sense. For those that want that next level learning and have access to some of the best teachers of them all, we offer safe, non-riding horse experiences where we truly embody clarity, connection, and courage, infusing every cell of our being with some horse sense. This kind of transformational experience takes place with our inspiring herd here at Horse Sense North. Horses who are truly our partners in this work and who love to gently step into the role of teacher and guide to help us learn at deeper levels. Whether you have a lifetime of experience with horses or none at all, if you want to improve the quality of your communication and relationships with yourself and others, personally or professionally, Horse Sense North is for you. Develop your horse sense and access this non-predatory approach to power for the good of the herd so that you may discover the freedom to be who you are meant to become.